Hi, today is May 23, 2024. I'm reviewing Euro. Let's recap what I said yesterday. I said we have 5-day moving average for resistance and 10-day moving average resistance. The major resistance should be yesterday's top, right here, and this trend line. So we have lots of resistance up there. So it's not going to be easy to break above yesterday's high bar. That means the trend would not be reversed easily. And below we got support 200, 50, and 20 moving average. I try to make trading simple as possible. It shouldn't be that difficult. Right? All you need, do one trade in a day, maybe one or two shots. That's all you need. If you have multiple contracts, I mean, that's good enough. You don't have to, eyeball it. Eyeball the charts the whole time. I don't believe in it personally. That's not my trading style. I always trade based on support and resistance and moving average. I look at other indicators, but mostly just support, resistance, trend line, and pattern. That's what I look at. I think this way is more faster than other indicators. Okay, let's go back, recap what I just said for yesterday. I said we have support, and today what happened? Look at 5 minute. Look at the 60-minute chart on the left, on the right, on the right, the magenta line, this one is a 1.043, which is 5-day moving average, and then the green line 1.034 is a 10-day moving average. So yesterday we had a uptrend. It broke, it tested and break the 10-day and then test the 5-day moving average and then break above. Look at that. If those who went long should be able to pick up, profit, at least, 20 pips, I would say. Most likely you don't get 30 pips. 20 pips should be good. And also, my favorite strategy, right? Always look at the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute, the 50 moving average should cross 200. Or the 50 should cross below 200 moving average. Yeah, so like today, the 50 moving average crossed above 200 moving average since it dropped yesterday. So we got a retracement. We have a very strong retracement, almost all the way to double top of yesterday's bar. Then hit and then test the yesterday's high and reject. Test and reject. If you open short positions around this area, it's perfect. You should be able to get at least 20 to 30 pips all the way down. I believe I got in around here, a little bit above 5-day moving average. I think around here I got in. I wasn't sure either. I wasn't sure. I was ready to stop loss, cut it. If it closed above, this level, I was ready to cut loss, but I didn't. So it tested the high and reject and rolled down. Yeah, got a beautiful trade. I got 20 pips, so not much. I was focused on the US market when it opened, so I didn't have time to look at it. But anyway, 20 pips is good for me. I'm happy. Okay. So what's going to happen tomorrow? Let's look at support, resistance. Look for a pattern, any trend line. Okay. As long as there's a pattern form, it will break. it will form another new pattern always. Okay, so look for a pattern now. What's the pattern we have? So now looks like it's still looks like it's still a bull flag, right? I guess it still looks like a bull flag to me, in my opinion. So this is still a bull flag, and most likely tomorrow, at the worst case, I would say, you know, probably hit 200 moving average and bounce. That's the worst scenario. The first scenario is if it continue to drop tomorrow, most likely the 200-day moving average should be major support. I don't think it will break easily below it. Okay, so we find a major support first. Now look for resistance. Resistance up there, we have 5-day and 10-day. Okay, 5 days going to cross below 10-day moving average tomorrow, most likely. So 5 and 10 days should be a major resistance here. So watch out. And then also I got another resistance here too. Look at the 60-minute on the right hand side. 200 moving average on 60-minute time frame. That one should be a major resistance too. Okay, and look at the retracement. 50%, hopefully we have, you know, tomorrow. So let's see what we have here for the 5-minute chart. Look at 5-minute chart here. So I project, you know, 50 should cross about 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart. But every time we see, as I say, every time we see a pattern, okay, once break, we should have another pattern form. Like this one, 5-minute. If the entry for this at this level is kind of risky. Risk reward is not good enough for me. I'd rather wait this pattern finish or have a new pattern of another down leg or have a breakdown. Most likely I will enter around or below. At this level, I would rather be patient, wait. Because every time you see a pattern like this one, this is a channel, upward channel, moving slowly upward. That means, you know, at any time we will turn around, reverse the trend, or have another new leg, right? So for a pattern like this, either we have a breakup, new trend, or breakdown. So watch out. You can look at it like today. There's many, you know, pattern like this. You can do the homework yourself. Do some study, like this one, right? Every time we're downward, this is a tapering down, and have a break, a new trend. Again, this one. Again, this one. It's just like a wave. This one, right? And overall, this one. I'm not surprised, you know, it just broke below. But anyway, so for this 5-minute chart, I rather wait a little bit. If I miss it, I miss it. Okay, I'm kind of expecting the 50 should cross about 200 moving average on 5-minute time frame. That's what I believe in. But anyway, okay, let's look at the support resistance we have again. So below we have 200-day moving average, we have 20-day moving average. These are major support now. If market gives us a chance to hit below here, perfect. You know what to do. There's major support. And resistance up there should be around here, right? 5-day and 10-day moving average. So you can count on it. Make it simple. You don't have to make trading too complicated. And let's look at the weekly chart. Look at the weekly chart. I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a 5 weekly up bar. So this week is a down bar. I'm not surprised. It doesn't change the trend. I'm not saying it's reversing the trend. It's not reversal. It's just a pullback, in my opinion. It's just a retracement or pullback, whatever you call it. Just temporary, pullback until until the market proves it below this 1.07, then probably the trend change. For now, let's keep it still bullish. Okay, this is temporary pullback. It's not reversal. As long as it stays above, look at daily chart, as long as it stays above 200 moving average, 50 moving average, it's still bullish. Okay, look for your long entry if possible, and also look for short when you hit major resistance. Always buy low, sell high. Look for bargain. Okay. Oh, yeah. See, as we speak now, this is a live euro. As I say, always when we see a pattern, it usually either break up or break down. Chances probably 60% of the time it will break down like this, and 40% will just surprise us. It just keeps on going. But 60% of the time you should have a leg down like this. So watch it. Look for lower level for entry. And okay, good luck on your trading. Oh, let's look at one more thing, the dollar index. Look at the dollar index again. Look at dollar index. Here, 1, 2. We have a now dollar index still trading within the channel. It's pretty obvious, right? So sort of tapering. So still holding the 200-day moving average holding. Let's see, we have a pullback down tomorrow for the dollar index. Okay, I'm kind of expecting a little bit pullback, but still overall dollar index higher high, higher low, I would say. Okay, again, there's a pattern here. It's a channel, upward channel formed. So wait till it's completed. Either it will have a break up or break down. I don't know yet. So the market will tell us. Let's look for it. But look at level by level. It's too early to say anything now. Just remember, for the euro, we got major support below. This is a major support. And resistance, most likely probably around here. Should be probably a little bit 5-day or 10-day, a little bit above 10-day moving average. Should be a major resistance. Okay, look for your entry. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.